Hello everyone, my name is Marilyn Peavy and I am a makeup and skincare entrepreneur, and I want to show y'all some skincare and love on our skin today. And I like coming on here and showing women how they can do their makeup for the mature woman, their makeup. And I am talking to you all today about our skin, and let's love on our skin a little bit. It first has to come with skincare, y'all. We've got to have skincare. So my company has come out with a new skincare called Youology, and I wanted to take a moment about this Youology because this is revolutionary skincare, and I've been using it for a month, and I swear my skin is so much smoother. I have noticing my age spots disappearing. They've not all disappeared, but they're fading. So, and my skin is so soft. What is so different that sets this apart from anyone else is because it's customized to meet your skin needs. And what I mean by that is that this Youology is that you get, it comes in a base like this right here is the cleanser, and then you get to choose between you take a online quiz and it matches up what your skin needs. So it comes with each one. There's 4 products that is customizable to your skin, and there's 4 of them. One is the cleanser, the other one is the serum, the face serum, and the other one is day cream, and the other one is night cream. So this is the day cream, and it is all customizable to meet your needs. So it's just like a snowflake. Every snowflake is not alike. Our skin needs are not alike. So if I have a twin sister, her skincare would have never been like mine. So it is customizable, and that's what's so unique about it. But let me go over the so what we do is, this is okay. This right here is what the boosters look like. So when you take that online quiz, then it matches the boosters that's suggested to go in the base. And the bases mean your cleanser, your serum, and the 2 moisturizers. And this goes towards my day cream, and I'll be showing you this. And each one is labeled, is color coded. Like the day cream has a yellow top on it, and the boosters has like a yellow symbol on there. So if you ended up ordering all 4 products, then you would know which boosters. But it also comes in a Ziploc bag with everything in it for you to mix. I don't know why there it goes. It was everything comes in this bag for you to mix, okay? And it also comes and it's so customizable that they rename it. Instead of Youology, they put your first name here, and like my name is Marilyn, and I know it's backwards, Marilynology. So and then these are my boosters. This is for my day moisturizer. So it's all in this, and then the directions on how to mix it up is in each one. And this is so uncommon, and they took time out to make a pamphlet for each one, and each one tells you how to mix them up, even has the pictures. Isn't this awesome? And y'all, I'm telling you, this stuff works. My skin has never felt so much cleaner, moisturized, hydrated, and even with my makeup application, it feels much, much smoother. Anyway, the cleanser, it has a purple top. So this is already pre-mixed already. So this is infused with aloe leaf, and this cleanser allows, the base allows you to add 3 boosters of your choice for a personalized approach. Hey, Deb. And to a fresh face. This seamlessly blend through a technology, this cleanser base and 3 hand-selected boosters. And like I said, you can take the quiz online and it'll suggest the boosters that you need in your cleanser. And it's based on what your skin and your skin type and what you want to concentrate on. So the boosters that you have choices to go in, and it's 40, you can design it 40,000 different ways. You guys, that's unreal. But you can. It can be 40,000 different ways, because like I said, it's like a snowflake. You can design it any which way, because everybody's skin care type is different, and there's no sense in buying skincare that helps with some of your needs but not with all your needs. And this is so customizable, it's going to hit your needs that your skin needs. Okay, not your daughters, not your moms, not your sisters, not your neighbors. It's all customized for you. All right. Like I said, they put your name on it. So the boosters that comes with the cleanser is an exfoliating booster, a pore diminishing booster, a replenishment booster, a oil control booster. And see, just for instance, the oil control is awesome because I don't need oil control, so I wouldn't need that booster. But my granddaughter may. Okay, so it also has a hydrating booster. Well, I need that because I'm getting older and I need hydration. So that is the cleanser, you guys. So it comes with a lilac cap, and the boosters would have that lilac symbol on it, like I showed you a while ago. All right, so now that is the the cleanser. Let's go over the serum. I've got it all out here. This is the serum. So this is what the serum looks like. It's like a lime green. Isn't it cute? It's lime green. And the boosters for this is the design with highly concentrated ingredients, and it does absorb quickly into your skin, you guys. And this serum uses hydrating ingredients like vitamin E and olive oil to nourish the skin. You customize your serum and target the individual's skin concerns, adding the 3 boosters that you need by taking that quiz of your choice. So here's the boosters that you have to choose from: a glow booster, a firming booster, a wrinkle reducing booster, a line minimizing booster, a brightening booster, and an elasticity booster. Okay, so this is the face serum. So those are the boosters that you have to choose from. And like I said, I will post a link to my quiz in the bottom of these comments afterwards. But and you can go take that quiz for free, and it'll tell you which boosters is suggested for your skincare type. Hey, Kelly. All right. So the next thing is our, we're going to do our night cream right quick, because I'm going to show you the day cream last, because I'm going to mix it up for you and show you how easy it is. It's like we're little scientists. And I like the other day cream before, but I love this, y'all. This is to complete your skincare regimen, and with a tailor-made night cream designed and made by you. This night cream base includes a powerful ingredient to hydrate your skin and complete your custom skincare regimen. You'll target the individual skin concerns by adding 3 boosters of your choice. And let me tell you what the boosters are, okay? Hydrating booster, replenishment booster, elasticity booster, time correcting booster, puffiness reducing booster, and calming booster. So that's what their choices you've got for this night cream. All right, awesome stuff. I'm telling y'all, I'm swearing by this. If you don't believe me, you got to try at least one of them, especially the night cream. If anything. But anyway, and I love the day cream too, because I put this on as right before I put makeup on, and it just makes my foundation look flawless. I'm not kidding. All right, so the daily skin moisturizer is capable of helping conquer the daily stresses put on skin. This day moisturizer is ready to help your face face the day and add all 3 boosters to this hydrating base to build a custom daily routine that addresses your individual skin needs. So I've got my boosters here, and I've got what was recommended was a hydrating booster, a tinting booster, and an environmental shield booster, okay? So that's what these 3 are. And remember, the boosters that you're working with, since this has a yellow cap, this has got the yellow teardrop on it, so you know it comes in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking these caps off. And you will have to have scissors, you guys. And snip this tube. And you just squeeze these things. I didn't snip it good enough. You just squeeze these things in your custom. So this is where the customize comes in. You're customizing it for your skin needs with these individual boosters. See? All right, so this is my a tinting booster. So this is going to put a little bit of tint in this. Y'all see that? It's putting a little tint in that, and we're going to mix all this together with that spatula in just a minute. And I'll be ready for it. So we'll take our little spatula and mix it all up. This puts a little bit of tint to even my skin tone out, especially since I was getting the spots and everything. So this is good to even that out. So I got the tint. So y'all see that? Looks like chocolate. Like a chocolate mousse. So we're putting chocolate mousse on our faces. So that is the day cream. And this line is called Youology, y'all. So you can customize your own skincare to fit your needs, and then they name it your skincare, like Marijuanology. So just like if Deb got some, it would be Debology, or Kelly, Kellyology, or it's Donnaology. So that is customizable skincare, and that is revolutionary, you guys. And this skincare, I would not tell anybody about it if I did not like it, but I'm telling you, I love it. I did not think that I would. I wasn't. My mother has been using it. She was not a skincare fanatic. She never hardly used skincare, and she does it every single day, and she keeps telling me, I have noticed a difference, that she was glad that she got this Youology, and she loves it, you guys. So anyway, y'all have a great night. And just remember, Marylandology, Youology, so y'all can customize your own skincare to meet your needs. Y'all have a great day or evening. It's evening. And again, my name is Marilyn Peavy, and I am a skincare and makeup entrepreneur. And I hope y'all, if y'all want to keep receiving my videos, just follow, share, and like, and click that bell so you'll get notified when I come live. Thank you all. Bye.